Well, maybe, I know it's kind of a silly thing to say, but probably
shouldn't be buying drugs.
on UGG drays there for a while. All right, maybe find a way to attract women that don't need acquired such a taste.
I know, man.
What's your name, man?
Hello friends, Squink here, former cop, future bunker architect, here to use my law enforcement experience to break down the question that everyone wants to know the answer to. And that question is, what the hell are the cops doing? Let's get into it. Today's video comes from Columbus Police Body Camera. Man calls 911 saying he gave $25 and didn't get any drugs. Okay, never seen it. Breaking it down in real time.
And I don't know if there's cameras or what, but I'm just telling you, dude ran off of my money, and I'm not getting no pussy, and I don't got no drugs for her, so I'm super pissed.
Nice. All right. Cool. I like this intro. This is really good, actually. Did it freeze? No.
The fuck you
Columbus
mean?
Police Tech 107.
Yes, I just gave this guy $25 to buy me a crystal meth, and he ran in his house, didn't come out, and I don't want to do nothing that's irrational, but
Yeah.
either dude gonna give me my money or something gonna happen. So
Yeah. What's the address?
Huh.
And what's your name?
and my name is
I'm sorry. What was it?
Pierre.
Pierre.
Yeah, Pierre.
Great
Spell
name.
it for me.
For those wondering if I had any similar calls when I was a police officer, no, sadly I did not, because this would be an absolute joy to deal with. This would be top notch. I'm really excited for this video.
Okay. Do you know this guy's name?
Nah, so I was on Sullivan Avenue in Cypress at this little, it's like a church building. I was just sitting under it because it was raining. It had like a little bench on it, and a guy said that he could get me some drugs. So I said, I really don't want to do none, but when he said it was cheap, dude took my $25 and went in his green house on Dakota Avenue and didn't come out. So
Okay. What do you look like?
he's black. He has on a blue champion hoodie.
Not a black guy.
He had on black pants and a black satchel, a book bag. Don't argue with these people. Don't argue with them. Don't argue with them.
He's a peacekeeper as well.
Don't argue, man. I'm just going to call the police, like I said.
Right.
Okay. And are you standing outside?
I'm outside.
The dispatcher's like, you've gotta be kidding me. You've gotta be kidding me right now.
Their house. I'm not going nowhere. I'm not scared of nothing because they got my money.
Yeah. And tell me what you look like. What are you wearing?
Great.
I'm sorry. Cowboy boots and what?
And a red T-shirt, and I'm using the cover as a umbrella. Yeah, don't argue with them. Don't argue. Don't argue with nobody.
Are you white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
I'm black.
Okay.
Another
And
black
who's
guy.
the other person in the
Two
background?
black guys.
All right. We'll get somebody out to you. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, can't wait. Bye-bye. See you soon. The cop's like, I can't wait.
Hey, what in tarnation's going on?
The reason I'm laughing so hard is because that was one of my go-to phrases as a cop when I arrived on scene. I've never heard anyone else use it. This may be the greatest video we've ever seen.
So someone robbed you?
You weren't trying to buy drugs, perhaps, were you?
Black dude said that he know where to get some ice from, and she said that she liked to smoke it. So, because I'm trying to show her a good time, as I was going to my pocket to get dude money, and then the fuck.
So you guys were going to buy drugs?
Yeah. Don't lie to this man. Don't lie, because it'll be fucked up.
I respect this man right here. This is a very honest individual. Honestly, much respect to this man. As far as the police go, like, there's really not a whole lot they can charge this guy with. They can't, he didn't buy the drugs. Unfortunately, he got robbed for him, unfortunately. But they can't, like, preemptively charge him with drug possession if he doesn't have drugs on him. So, I don't know. This guy seems kind of smart.
Yes.
Okay.
I was trying to get her high, so
The crime is the robbery.
flat out. There's no need to sugarcoat what's going on. I tell her let me talk for a reason.
All right.
And dude ran in his house, never came out. So dude took my $25, and we was on Sullivan in Cypress right here, just sitting in a little benches right there. That's in front of that little church building.
Right.
And I don't know if there's cameras or what, but I'm just telling you, dude ran off of my money, and I'm not getting no pussy, and I don't got no drugs for her, so I'm super pissed. flat out.
Understandable, sir.
All right.
And that's what's really going on.
All right.
I'm not gonna be able to get your money back.
Okay, like that part's cool, but dude.
Okay. So
Why?
Can put your hand in your pocket.
I'm sorry, sir.
That's all right.
Wallet chain. I'm
That's
sorry.
okay.
I'll just show you. I don't have no weapons. I don't, sir. No.
Okay.
My favorite is when you go, hey, don't reach in your pocket, and they're like, oh, let me just do exactly that real quick. I understand they're trying to give the cop peace of mind, but just, just listen.
I got you.
Weapons. I don't, man.
So, homeboy grabbed your money, ran in the house, and then he come back.
He took it and ran and then come out.
I don't know why the cop wouldn't be able to get his money back.
Instead of doing some bullshit, I said, I'm going to stand here.
At least charge the guy.
I'm not scared of you. Like, I'm not scared. Like, you stole my shit. And I don't care. Do what you got to do, but I'm going to call the police instead of do something crazy. And we're going to get
Hell
to
yeah.
Of why you ran off on my shit.
Ma'am, no one can hear you.
What it? I'm sorry. Do you know these people here then?
Nah, I don't know these people, man.
I thought you said they ran into this house.
Is she aware that the cop is not talking to her but is talking to him? I really she's in her own world. She's probably high right now.
Yes.
Okay.
I followed dude down the alley. Dude went in this house. Dude went in this house with my money, so he stopped me from getting pussy because he ran off with my money to get her right. Flat out.
Okay, well, I mean, we ain't gonna be able to help you get your money back or your drugs or anything like
I'm not
that.
trying to get money or drugs. I just want something to happen, man. Because at the end of the day,
He wants to hold this drug dealer accountable, okay? And we're gonna make that happen.
Shit, dude had a gun out, and when I was going through my wallet to go through my money, he grabbed the money and ran. So at the end of the day, it's a robbery.
Armed robbery.
Like he strong-armed me with a gun.
You didn't mention anything about a gun. You said that he had a gun now?
Yeah, so the gun was on his hip. The guy didn't just say, give me your money. The guy had his gun shown. He was like, oh, he grabbed my money and took off.
Maybe not armed robbery then.
Or at Sullivan and Cypress?
Yep.
And then he went run down this alley, ran in his house?
Yep.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But did he threaten you at all with the gun, or did he just had it out?
He had the gun out on his hip. He snatched my money.
Was it on a holster or in his waistband?
It was just in his waistband. It wasn't
Just in his waistband?
Just displaying it
So
casually.
He told you that he knew where to get ice.
Yeah.
And you were like, that sounds cool. I'm about to do that.
Flat out,
And you
yeah.
pulled out money, and he
Grabbed it
had
and
his gun in his
out,
waistband.
yeah, like this, like.
And then he grabbed it and ran in
in
here.
his house. So I
Right.
told him
But he
I'm not leaving till.
He didn't make any.
Is that lady
so he
still
didn't pull
screaming?
out, He didn't fire any gunshots off or point at you, nothing like that. All right. And you said there's a camera. Is the camera gonna be able to show him have a gun?
I don't know if there's a count. I'm saying it's a Sullivan, and everybody knows what goes on Sullivan. So
Ma'am.
She's mad because she ain't got her drugs. I'm just saying I was trying to.
Yeah, that makes sense.
I mean, just keep it real. I
Okay.
mean, like that's why I said just let me talk. 'Cause
This is the Abe Lincoln of drug purchasing right here. Very honest individual. Gotta appreciate that.
it means I don't gotta make nothing up. I can just tell it how it is.
Okay.
You know, she was selling that for. I was trying to get it right. So why don't we just keep it real?
All right. Yep. Well. Yeah. I mean, he may have had a gun on him. You said he didn't point at you, didn't make any threats.
No, but then that's what I'm saying is.
He just said, I know where you can get some ice, and you were like, okay, that sounds cool.
Dude.
And you had money out.
And then he split.
Dude ran my money, so at the end of the day.
Damn.
It is a theft. Absolutely it is.
I
Yeah.
didn't do nothing stupid, man. I'm not gonna
Absolutely
lie.
it is.
Take the report,
I
officer.
$25, man. It was a 20 and a 5.
A 20 and a 5. What's this gentleman look like?
Black guy. He had on a blue champion hoodie. He had on a black satchel like mine, like a little mini book bag, and he had on black
Beautiful.
pants. And that's what I noticed.
Height, weight on him?
Yeah, he looked about $150, about 5'10".
Small
Okay.
guy.
And he said he ran in here.
Yes, sir.
All right.
All right, let's
No,
go
the
check
20
this
and
guy
5.
out.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to go try and make contact with these guys here. You just hang out here for a minute, okay?
He ain't coming to the door. He ain't coming to the door. So when they don't come to the door, all the police can really do is write up a report, forward it over to the prosecuting attorney, and then they will decide at that point whether or not to pursue charges against this individual. Unfortunately, we don't really know a whole lot about him. We have some simple height, weight, demographic stuff, but we don't have a name. We don't even have a street name as far as I'm concerned. But something tells me his name is Rat Bastard. Where's the yelling lady?
Just you and your brother in there?
And he's MRDD, so he ain't causing
Side note, having a white uniform shirt as a police officer, that would be terrible. Like, not only would my sweat stains be showing because I sweat really easily, but if you got into a ground fight or something, your uniform shirt would be in a state of disarray for the rest of the shift. I don't know why anyone would go through with white uniform shirts.
for anybody. He said nobody came running in here recently either.
All right.
I don't know if did they say they've been staying here the whole time, or did they go walking?
They're on the street. She's a 49.
Oh, yeah.
He's trying to get her drugs for 49 activity. And it's kind of fun because he just flat out says it. So.
Ice Ice Baby, perhaps.
There's nobody else in the house?
Yeah, I got my brother in there. He's
Just your brother? You mind if I just poke my head in there?
Did he
and
just say his
hi?
brother's retarded?
Is he all right? What's his name?
I wonder if he fits the description. Oh, we're not gonna know. You don't do ice, sir?
Just you live here and him?
Yeah. Me and my brother. I'll take care of
You
it.
and your brother? All right. Nobody else lives upstairs or downstairs?
No. I mean, we got my buddy's girlfriend's here, but
Nice, nice. Why is your buddy's girlfriend at your house?
something's got to be wrong.
He said he's seen someone run into here, and there ain't no one in here that matches the description. So.
I have. I've been here all morning.
All right. All right. I appreciate it.
All right, enjoy your day, sir.
You got it. You here?
All right. Appreciate it.
All right, love you guys. Have a good day.
Are you positive it was that house? Because I was just in there, walked around. There was nobody in there that matched that description. These guys, there's two old guys that live there, and they said they ain't had anyone run into their house.
I know, man. But that's
Was it a house? Was it a house nearby? Maybe you thought it was that one because down the alley. I mean,
Now, trust me, I was on Sullivan Cypress, so you can really take this alley and cut through a parking lot of that little building thing. It's a church right here in the parking lot. I just cut through the parking lot and watched it.
The guy seems like he knows what he saw.
okay. Well, like I said, I was in there. There was two old guys, and I guess
It wouldn't surprise me if the thief is in there hiding out. It wouldn't surprise me. It happens so often. Like, people are gonna lie to you all the time. It wouldn't surprise. Just because they're old doesn't mean they're incapable of lying.
I'll get you a port number and whatnot.
Thank you.
And where do you stay at?
I live at that shelter.
Van Buren?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Honestly.
Well, maybe I know it's kind of a silly thing to say, but probably
Shouldn't be buying drugs.
stay on UGG drays there for a while. All right, maybe find a way to attract women that don't need acquired such a taste.
I know, man.
What's your name, man?
Pierre Williams, P-I-E.
He's just trying to appease his woman,
W-I-L-L-I.
the yelling lady.
Yeah.
Champion backpack.
Nah, blue champion hoodie,
Blue
black
champion.
black backpack, black pants.
Okay.
Black
Blue
guy.
champion hoodie.
Is it black guy you said?
Yup, black guy.
How about skin tone? Dark, light?
Dark, real
dark?
dark. Like
Okay.
black.
Okay.
Black.
Definitely
Got it.
Like anybody in that.
Yeah.
Jeez. Unreal, man.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Right there, my man.
I'm gonna put it in my wallet, man.
Yeah. Try to find better places to hang out too, because you'll need someone out here. 49 doing 49 stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. 49
So,
drugs,
yeah,
baby.
Leave them alone too. They're gonna get you.
I know.
Yeah.
Thank you, man.
They can get you some kind of disease that you can't shake off.
True.
Thank you, brother.
True. Ooh, I like the thunder. Good touch. It's a great channel. The intro video, the thunder at the end. Really enjoy this. I really enjoy this. Moral of the story, don't trust drug dealers. Also, find a better hobby other than drug using, because you're not going to encounter the most esteemed people in your travels of doing drugs and purchasing drugs. I really enjoyed that guy. He was very honest, very real. I feel a little bad for him. I know that seems weird to say, but he seemed like a genuinely honest man, and you've got to respect honesty in that profession because everyone loves to lie. I do these videos every single day. If you like this one, like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll see you for the next one. Love you guys. Bye.